Good morning, guys. So I'm on my way to the airport, and it's currently way too early for my existence, and it's too early that you couldn't have even seen me. I have my flash on, so without it, you wouldn't have been able to see me. But yes, I am extremely sleep deprived, so I'll be catching some on the flight, and I'll see you next from the airport itself.
तुम्हारी मॉम को देखकर पता चलता है कि उन्हें इंग्लिश नहीं आती होगी, मिसेस कुमार ने चिढ़ते हुए कहा।
So much कोहरा.
नेहा
You need to look at this view, guys. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, now let's go. My flight is delayed due to zero visibility. Sleepy and tired, so I edited like 2 videos, which is a good thing. One of them needs to go up today, so hopefully I'll be able to do that once I reach Ahmedabad. Only if this flight takes off, that is. The visibility though. Seems like this flight is never gonna take off, so I'll just have my sandwich right now only. I just reached Ahmedabad and I look like a dead person because my flight was delayed for like 4 hours. It was supposed to take off at like 6:40. I was sitting in the flight since 6:20, and then it took off at like 9 something. I don't even know when it did take off because I honestly lost hope that it's ever gonna take off, and I slept because I slept at like 3 last night and woke up at like 4, which is not even a sleep, it was just like a power nap. But yes, finally I'm in Ahmedabad. Came cho Ahmedabad. So I'm so excited, so excited. I gotta get my zest back on because it's almost time for the meet and greet. So yeah, so apparently my poor little person who's supposed to come to pick me up, I don't even know who, would have been like waiting for me since like 8:40, which is really sad, which was the original time that my flight was supposed to land at. So yeah, I just feel really bad for him because he would have to like wake up at like early and then like come till here and then wait. I feel bad for him. So just trying to figure out the exit and stuff because I don't have any baggage. That's the best thing about like trips like these, that I don't have baggage, then I don't have to wait for baggage. I hate waiting for baggage. So let me just figure out my cab and I'll be back. But yeah. This is the Sabarmati riverfront, but I can't really see the river because of the barricading, but I suppose it will look really pretty. भैया आपके पास कोई वो है ओरिजिनल गुजराती टाइप गाने?
ओरिजिनल गुजराती?
या नॉर्मल गुजराती भी, जैसे मूवी वगैरह की हो कोई तो? आपके कितने चक्कर लग जाते हैं गिरनार पार लेताना के?
तो चालू ही रहता है हमारा तो मैडम।
चालू ही रहता है बिकॉज यू कैन ऑलवेज कनेक्ट विद गुजरातीज ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ जैन मंदिर. Reached the venue. Sneak peek of the venue. This is the selfie booth with gende ke phool. Looks super cute. Checked into my room. My camera won't focus on me. I am just trying to figure out what I wanna have for brekkie, and I'm also uploading. Finally, yes, I got internet access. Yes. So yes, I'm uploading can't make out what I wanna have. What do I wanna have? Why isn't this camera focusing on me? What is the issue with you, camera? Just ordered a dosa and some cold coffee for me. I needed the dose of cold coffee to get me through. But yes, I'm so excited to finally be here. Like, I love meeting like SJ I love meeting SJ fam members all over. And honestly, I was just thinking, like, I'm really grateful for Nykaa, not because of the products or the money or anything, but for the fact that they trusted me so much that they are letting me do this and meet you guys all over India, sort of. Like, it's just 2 places till now, but still it's a big deal for me. So I'm just so grateful because I can finally like see you guys, hug you guys. Like, it's just like so amazing to finally put faces to names, because obviously I read all of the comments, so I know who you guys are, but I can finally put faces to names, which is something I love doing. I love meeting you guys. I just love it, okay? I love it just way too much. I can't put it into words. But yes, I still have about, say, sort of like 40 minutes. So I'm gonna try and do as much work as possible and then get ready. I'm still waiting for my dosa to come in. I am hungry. Really hungry. So although I did have that Hawaiian Club sandwich, but that was like hours and hours ago. I'm hungry again. So yeah, I'm just gonna get back to work, and then when I get ready, I'll get back to you. My food is here. Drum, drum. Yummers. Let's dig into this. The dosa is yummy. And so is the chutney. Or maybe I'm just too hungry. Cold coffee is not cold enough, like for my personal liking, but it's really yummy. So I'm also doing an Instagram live while I was doing my base. And here it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? So we are doing an Instagram live. So it's like a vlog in vlog, vlogception. So these are all of the people, lovely people that joined me today. I am so glad that you guys did join me, and we are done with the base. I'm gonna be heading out soon now, and yeah, I don't know what to say because both of the contents are so different. Like what I have to say in the vlog and what to say in the live video. Literally just did my base makeup in 15 minutes while doing a live Instagram chat. Proud of myself, proud of myself. I have glitter nail polish in my hair. Not proud of myself. I just like ran my fingers through my hair while my nail polish wasn't dry yet, and yeah, not proud of myself anymore. And I don't know what this hair wants from life. Why do you have issues here? Why do you have that attitude? Can't you just like stick with other hair? No, it has issues. So yeah, now I'll just be heading down for the master class, and I'm excited and I'm nervous. I don't know if people will turn up again. I'm really nervous. I'm always am before a meet and greet, and I don't know if they will like me because I'm a hyper puppy, and sometimes it is a little too much in person. So hopefully Ahmedabad will like me. Fingers crossed. Hi. Kem cho? Majama. So how are you all doing? कहाँ से आए हैं आप सब लोग? वडोदरा कितना दूर पड़ता है यहाँ से? 100 ओके नहीं, बट रोड्स बहुत अच्छी हैं यहाँ की. आई वॉज लाइक प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज, क्योंकि हमें तो आदत है गड्ढे में रोड होने की. तो आई वॉज प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज कि रोड्स अच्छी हैं, बिकॉज आई गो टूवर्ड्स गिरनार, पालिताना, संखेश्वर, ऑल ऑफ दोज लाइक द जयंतीज. बट अहमदाबाद फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आप सब लोग भी आए हो यहाँ पे मिलने के लिए. तो मैंने कहा पहले लेट्स जस्ट मेक श्योर कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा होने वाला है, बिकॉज यू सी एडिटेड वीडियोस जिसके अंदर आई एम वेरी फिनेस्ड. यहाँ पे जब इन लाइव इन पर्सन होता है तो आई एम लाइक तो प्लीज डोंट माइंड. ऑलरेडी पहले ही बता रही हूँ, व्लॉग यू ऑल, लाइक टेक यू इन द व्लॉग. Okay, so you are like more into the lipsticks than in the vlog. But it's okay. I understand. Makeup मुझे भी इतना ही excite करता है. I'm just like, yeah, later, babe. How is it?
It's a pretty color.
So how's the texture? What is it like?
It's good. It's soft.
Yeah, okay. It's like I always tell you the first impressions, na. So let's see कितना video कौन देखता है. It's semi matte, okay. And what is?
Do you guys like the pigment?
Yeah.
How about the pigment?
Pigmented.
It
smells good.
It's
Because one swipe and you can see the color.
yeah. You guys are experts. Yeah. When are you starting your YouTube channels, man? You should, yeah. It's really interesting to see you guys do it. Like I'm not even. Oh my gosh, you have like a graphic line on. I just noticed it. Open your eye. Look at that graphic line, and you.
आपका देख के तो जाना ही बंद कर दिया पार्लर में.
अच्छी बात है, मैं यही कह रही थी, पार्लर का काम बंद कराओ. So I did her makeup today and we did gunmetal smoky eyes and I hope she liked it. At least I loved it.
I loved it. Thank you so much.
So we have a new launch here. Nidhi, where are you?
I'm not.
So we have a new launch here. These launch on 10th, but obviously Ahmedabad has the first access to the paint sticks. So 3 cheers for Ahmedabad. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! And you got the first impressions from the people. SJ Fam itself. They are creamy, pigmented, semi-matte, and they smell nice. Someone said they smell nice. Yeah. So yes, if you want the whole review, then let me know in the comments below. and yes, now we're just gonna have loads of fun, chat, hugs, a lot of hugs.
Snapchat.
Snapchat!
Selfies. You can't forget your Snapchats.
Obviously, Snapchat. I won't. And the only rule for clicking a selfie today is that you have to send it to me. And if you don't, then I will haunt you in your dreams. Let's click shitloads of selfies. And like, let's hug shitloads. Come on. Excitement is so
I'm so excited to see you, Shreya. Like, मैंने बिलीव नहीं किया कि आप मेरे सामने.
मैंने छुट्टी भी कर दी. अब भी नहीं. अब मैं फेस की पढ़ूंगी, नहीं पढ़ जाएगा. अब किसका बुरा होगा?
So nice to see you. So nice to see you. No. But I need a video too. So tell my husband that let me watch your video.
हाय निखिल जी, प्लीज आप डिंकू जी को मेरी वीडियो देखने दीजिए. अगर डेटा तो हायर बैठा करिए, बीवी जी को खुश रखा करिए. ले लो भाई. हेलो. It's not about falling. It's been ages. The last time anyone lifted me was my dad. When I was like this much, so I wasn't expecting that. I see so graphic line. Hyderabadi thing for I love you. So do like તમે બહુ પ્રેમ કરું છું.
તમને.
તમને. Okay. Jana. Moving. Blowing. So I am back in my room. The meet and greet went so amazing. I can't even thank you guys enough for the love and the support that you have shown me. It was just so great. Ahmedabad, you were amazing, and a lot of you actually gave me gifts as well, so that was something really exciting as well. I'm gonna open them once I reach back home. So I have still some time left here. It is 6 currently. My flight's at 9:45, so I'll see what I can do and just like if I can roam somewhere or something. yeah, I'll see that. But I'm just really overwhelmed with the love and support, guys. It just means the world to me, like the world to me. Just so grateful, so forever thankful. Words can't describe the feeling that I have for you guys. It's just like beyond what I can ever express. So we're off and I'm with Nidhi here. So she is, if you've seen my Hyderabad vlog, the backbone.
Yeah, right. Not really though, but yeah.
Kind of the backbone. And we are going to Bandej to shop some Gujarati stuffs.
Let's see
hopefully
if we get some fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Hopefully we get some good things out there. Dinner time. This place looks beautiful. Nice.
हवेली में
हाँ ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे शादी के घर में आ गए. शादी की हवेली होती है ना पुराने जमाने टाइप की. Oh, there are a lot of things happening here. ये नहीं चाहिए. ये क्या है? और एक आलू का भजिया नहीं चाहिए. भजिया आलू के भजिया. हाँ बस. So I'm stuffed. You can't see me. Wait, let me turn on the light. I am stuffed with food and now I'm off to the airport. I shopped a little. If you can see, I shopped a little from Rajwado itself. The shops were really nice. I got some, traditional work cloths because that's what I like buying. I don't want to buy something that I can get in the mall. I didn't get anything to eat like khakra, dhokla, fafda or anything, but I had like traditional Gujarati thali and I'm like stuffed. It was yum. To the hell. If you're in Ahmedabad, you must go to Rajwado. It's amazing place. I loved the vibes. I loved everything. And yes, now I'm just on the way to the airport. My flight's at 9:45. It's currently 8:36. I like to live dangerously. The way is about like 45 minutes or something. Not too sure. So yeah, I'll see you from the airport next. I think that's what I've been saying all day today. I'll see you from here. I'll see you from there. I'll see you from there. Yeah. So hopefully, if I can find a shop inside the airport which sells like khakra or dhokla or fafra or something, I might just pick it up because in Hyderabad they have Karachi bakery inside the airports as well. So let's see if I am lucky enough. And this lighting actually makes my skin look good. Liking it, living for it. So yeah, but yeah, it's been a good day. I went to Bandej, but I didn't get anything at Bandej, so I was kind of sad because Bandej is more about just Bandej work for obvious reasons, but I really wanted like Kathiawadi or mirror work cloth or the Bhuj or the Kutch work cloth, and I will show you very quickly what I got, but not right now because lighting is not the best. I'll show you. Probably I'll do a haul or something. I got loads of gifts as well from you guys, so I'll probably do a haul and formally show you everything. And yeah, I'm just so stuffed, man. I had so much food. I'm in food coma right now. At the airport, ready to go home. Not mentally though. I wish I could have stayed back. The Sabarmati riverfront is amazing. I stopped there for a 5-minute breather. Didn't vlog because I wanted to live that moment, and it is so beautiful. I wish I could stay there longer. And that's my queue. Have to board now. So I'll see you next from my home. I reached back home and changed, and I'm all comfortable now. Let me just drop my stuff. Just wanted to say a huge thanks to all of you for joining me for this vlog, and also to all of the beautiful ladies in Ahmedabad for taking time out of their lives and coming and seeing me and meeting me and showering me with so much love. Like the love, the vibe, the connection was something else. I totally loved meeting you all so much. I'm really tired, so that's why I might look a little pulled down, because I slept at 3. No, slept at 3, woke up at 4, had caught a flight at 6:20, which took off at 9. So I was sitting in the plane for like 3 hours for no reason whatsoever. So yeah, I'm slightly tired. It's 12:30 now and I am about to crash, but I just wanted to say a huge thanks again for all of the SG fam members. I may meet you, I may not meet you, but I will always be there in virtual reality to hug you and like snuggle with you and like, you know, just strangle you with my beer hugs in short. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for everyone for turning up today again. I love you all so much. Do take good care of yourselves, and yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.